Good day everyone. So for today, we're going to talk about Data Privacy Act. What is Data Privacy Act? Data Privacy Act is the right of an individual not to have private information about himself disclosed.
The Data Privacy Act of 2012, or the RA 10173, is a branch of data security concerned with the proper handling of data. Privacy of information is vital in this digital age, where everything is interconnected and can be accessed easily. If not safeguarded, your sensitive information such as your name, age, address, and phone number might be exploited by scammers without your consent. And that is why RA 10173 is very important.
What is Data Privacy Act of 2012? It is a law in the Philippines that sets rules on how personal information should be collected, used, stored, and shared by individuals and organizations. Its goal is to protect people's privacy rights and encourage responsible handling of personal data. It has several functions, including setting standards for the collection, use, and disclosure of personal information, imposing obligations on data controllers and processors, granting rights to data subjects, and lastly, establishing the National Privacy Commission.
These are the structure of RA 10173, the Data Privacy Act of 2012. In this includes Section 1 to 6, definitions and general provisions. This is to protect the fundamental human right of privacy of communication while ensuring free flow of information to promote innovation and growth. The next is Section 7 to 10, National Privacy Commission. This is to monitor and ensure compliance of the country with international standards set for data protection. Then next is Section 11 to 21, Rights of Data Subject and Obligation of Personal Information Controllers and Processors. This must implement reasonable, appropriate organizational, physical, and technical measures intended for the protection of personal information. Then next is Section 22 to 24, Provision of specific to government. All sensitive personal information maintained by the government, its agencies, and instrumentalities shall be secured as far as practicable with the use of the most appropriate standard recognized by the information and communication technology industry.
The National Privacy Commission was formed on March 2016 that is an independent body mandated to administer and implement the Data Privacy Act and to monitor and ensure compliance of the country with the international standards set for personal data protection. The functions of the National Privacy Commission include rulemaking, advisory, public education, compliance and monitoring, investigation and complaints, and enforcement.
Key roles in Data Privacy Act. Data subjects refers to an individual whose personal information is processed. Personal Information Controller, PIC, refers to a person or organization who controls the collection, holding, processing, or use of personal information. Personal Information Processor, PIP, refers to any natural person qualified to act as such under this Act to whom a person information controller may outsource the processing of personal data pertaining to a data subject. Data Privacy Officer, DPO, is in charge of all aspects of data privacy within a company. National Privacy Commission, they administer and implement the provision of this Act, and monitor and ensure compliance of the country with international standards set for data protection.